Hi folks! So today I'm going to make something which is going to be hopefully awesome. I've never made homemade baked beans before simply because the time commitment is a little bit daunting. So I'm going to use my Instant Pot that I got for Christmas. I wasn't sure if I wanted the Instant Pot. Chris got it for me anyway, and it's turned out some really good meals lately. So I'm going to try some baked beans from dry, I guess. So here's a few things that we're going to put in. I'm just following a recipe online. For those who live in a baked bean kind of state, you may get angry at maybe some of the ingredients I'm using and no molasses, but we're going to try this for our Midwestern Ontario dinner this evening. Everything's prepped and ready to go and been measured out. I'm going to cook the beans first. So you take beans, 16 ounces of beans, throw them in the pot with 8 cups of water and some salt. I'm going to put some salt in, put the lid on, and put it on high pressure for 25 minutes, and then allow the pressure to naturally release. Manual pressure, I guess last thing I cooked was 3 minutes, so we're going to up that to 25. Whoops, 25. And then I just leave it, and it will start automatically, come to pressure, cook for 25 minutes, and naturally release. It has been, so the beans have cooked. They've been naturally releasing for almost 40 minutes, and so I'm getting impatient. So I'm gonna see how much pressure is left. So I'm gonna hit it to, hardly anything. Like, you can't even hear that. I can smell, oh yeah, look, it's already done. I can smell the beans. So here we go. I'm not sure what to expect. Oh, they look like a bunch of beans. They definitely look soft. Oh, they're hot. And they're quite maybe too soft. So now I'm gonna rinse them. I'm gonna drain them, rinse them off, and then get their next part started. Now that the beans are out and have been rinsed off in some cool water and are just sitting aside, I've emptied out the Instant Pot and we're ready to go on to the next step, which is to fry some bacon, render it down a little bit. I'm going to add the onions and the peppers. So the first step is to use my burnt finger from touching that bean and hit the saute function. It's going to start getting hot and I'm going to use it as a frying pan. So that didn't take quite too long to heat up, so in goes bacon. I'm very elegant, as you can tell. So I'm just going to fry this up. And then once that's gotten nice and done, then I'm going to add the onions and the peppers, deglaze a little bit, then we'll, I guess, move on to the next step. Okay, so the bacon has been rendered down, the onions and peppers have been sauteed, everything's looking soft and tender and cooked. So I'm going to turn off the Instant Pot. I'm going to add the barbecue and sauce and all the gunky good stuff. Chris, you're not in my way at all. So I'm going to add that in, stir it up. Okay, so that looks excellent. Also smells excellent. I'm going to add the brown sugar and the water and the beans. So the beans did turn out pretty squishy, I think. So instinct says they don't need much longer to cook, but recipe says 15 more minutes at high. So because I'm not the recipe maker here and I maybe don't really know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna follow what the recipe says. So here we go. Everything's all mixed up. How's that smell, Chris?
It smells pretty damn good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good too. I would eat that. Would you eat that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. Hey, well, yeah, I guess I wouldn't eat that right now. So I'm going to put the lid back on. And close the steam valve and go high pressure for 15 minutes this time. So it says 15 minutes at high pressure and naturally release, but since it took so flippin' long last time, and I'm pretty sure the beans are already past cook, I'm just going to quick release it at the end. So here we go. Fingers crossed, let's hope it turns out okay. So I've naturally released the pressure because I was not waiting around for another 40 minutes, plus I think I may have made a mistake before. Anyway, so pressure's released, let's open this baby up. Let's see. That looks like a slightly more cooked version of what we put in there. So that's good. Now knowing, because last time I touched it and burned my finger, I'm not going to touch it this time. But let's see. How's that look, Chris?
That looks pretty darn good.
Okay. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to grab a little bowl, put a little bit in, let it cool off a little bit, and then we'll try it. How about that?
Sounds good. It finally cooled off enough for us to taste it, and it tasted pretty darn good. I think we're pretty happy with the results. Turns out the beans were not overly mushy. They had a pretty good consistency to them, so that 45-minute manual release of the pressure seemed to be okay. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this, hit that thumbs up button down below. Leave me a comment as well. Don't forget to share with your friends. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time we upload a new video.
We.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.